Hi, welcome to Pathway to Certification. In this module, we will cover the Apps tab in QuickBooks Online Accountant. The topics covered are wholesale selling of apps, managing firm apps, managing client apps, purchasing an app for a client, and activating an app. Upon completion of this topic, you should be able to understand how to access and activate apps within your QuickBooks Online Accountant and manage your client apps and wholesale billing. With the new Apps tab within QuickBooks Online Accountant, a Pro Advisor can add and manage apps for both the firm and their clients, all in one single location. The Apps tab is in your Practice section on your left-hand navigation bar. In the Apps Center, you will see three tabs: Find Apps, Client Apps, and Firm Apps. Select Find Apps to view the available apps and subscribe to them directly from within your QuickBooks Online Accountant. To get an app for your firm, view our app recommendations. Use a search or browse by category to locate an app that meets your needs. Select the app to see details about the app, such as reviews and pricing. Choose Get App Now to start the sign-up process. Choose your firm, then click Install. Authorize QuickBooks to share your data with the selected app. Configure any sync preferences and choose Save and Sync. Once the app has synced with QuickBooks, it's ready to use. To view the apps currently subscribed to your client's companies, select the client from the Select Client to View Apps drop-down. The Action drop-down allows you to launch the app, access support for the app, disconnect the app from the company, and leave a review for the app. The Firm Apps tab allows you to view and interact with the app subscribed to by your firm. Select the Action drop-down to launch the app, access support for the app, disconnect the app from the company, and leave a review for the app. QuickBooks Online has teamed up with several app developers to provide Pro Advisors with the ability to purchase apps on behalf of their clients at a discounted rate. You now have the ability to find, connect, and manage apps on your client's behalf. This allows you to grow your business revenue while helping you save your client time and money. Pro Advisors will manage all billing related to the app subscription. As a Pro Advisor, you'll see discounts on certain apps when you hover over the app card with your mouse. To subscribe to an app using your wholesale billing, click the card for the app. Select Get App Now. Select Install for your firm or Install for your client. Selecting a client will then give you the option to choose whether the client will be billed directly or whether you will be billed and charged through your wholesale billing. Select the option for your firm to be billed. The app will then be added to your firm and will be billed through your wholesale billing. To install an app for a client to pay, click the card for the app. Select Get App Now. Select Install for Client. Select the option for your client to be billed. This will take you through the authorization to connect the QuickBooks file to the app. This will then initiate a free trial and your client can update the payment details from within the app at the end of the trial period. To update your wholesale billing details, select the Your Account tab from the gear icon. Select the Edit button to update your payment information. Some key points to remember from this topic. As a Pro Advisor, you can access and activate apps from QuickBooks Online Accountant. From the Apps tab, you can find, connect, and manage apps on your client's behalf. You can manage your client's apps and wholesale billing. Pro Advisors can manage all billing related to the subscriptions and be entitled to wholesale discounts.